Hey, it's Ryan! If you've ever tried switching carriers or popping in a new SIM card only to get blocked, you're not alone. That's the carrier lock in action, a feature that keeps your phone locked to one network. Today, we're going to look at a few easy ways to remove that lock, whether you're using Android or iPhone. And good news, this works for any carrier, anywhere. The example I'm showing is just one of many, but you can use it for pretty much any network around the world. Let's jump right in and get that carrier lock off. Quick heads up, this is only for responsible use. It's intended for those who own their device and want to switch carriers. We do not support or encourage illegal activities like unlocking stolen phones. Please stay within the law and respect others' rights. This video complies with YouTube's guidelines and community standards. Alright, let's dive in. Now, the unlock services we're talking about are mostly available in first world countries. But if they're not available in your region, or you'd prefer not to use them, we're offering 250 free unlocks each week to our viewers. To enter, just like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment with your device model, IMEI number, and country. That's all it takes, and you're in. Here's how to use Carrier Switcher. First, head over to carrierswitcher.com and click the green button to launch the online Carrier Unlocker app. Enter your name and email so we can link your order. Make sure the email is valid, as we'll send your confirmation code there. Next, select your device's manufacturer, like Apple or Samsung. Then, enter your IMEI number. If you don't know it, just dial *#06# or check the About Phone section in your settings. Before continuing, confirm you're following the terms of service and not unlocking a stolen phone. Then click Continue. Your unlock request is now processed, and a confirmation email is on its way. In the email, you'll get instructions and an access key. This key allows you to start your order and can be reused for unlimited unlocks. Just follow the steps in the email to get started. There are several legit ways to unlock your phone. One of the easiest is reaching out to your carrier directly. Most carriers will unlock your phone if you meet their requirements, like being up to date with payments or having completed your contract. Check their website for specific details. Another option is using third-party unlocking services. These usually require your IMEI and some basic info. Just make sure you choose a trustworthy service with good reviews to keep things safe and secure. You can also explore unlocking software that you can download onto your phone or computer. Just be cautious. Make sure you research the software beforehand to avoid any risks. Lastly, online forums and communities can be super helpful. Many users share their unlocking tips and step-by-step guides for various phone models. It's a great place to find advice from people who've been through the process. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe. Got any questions or need help? Drop a comment below. We're always here to assist.